Hi guys, now I'm going to show you how to use calculator to solve polynomial equation by using fixed point iteration method. Okay, for example, iterative function 2 given to you x power of 3 plus 3x squared minus 1 equal to 0. After we write the function, we obtain gx x equal to 1 over x plus 3 power of half. So we are going to see how to use calculator to solve this problem. First, you put gx into calculator, which is 1 over x plus 3 power of 1 over 2. After you put the function, you need to put the initial value, which is 0.5. You click calculate, then put initial value, which is 0.5. Then you will get the answer for x1. x1 equal to 0.535. Okay, to find the value of x2, you click calculate, then answer equal. You got the value of x2 0.532. You continue until you get the same answer, which is 0 error. Click calculate, click answer, then x3 equal to 0.532, which is equal to the value of x2. So you can stop here because there is no error. Then the answer is x equal to 0.532. That's all. Thank you.